Hi, my name is Gaurav, and welcome to another episode of TAM Studios. Today I'll talk about architect post call actions in voice calls. VoiceFlow authors can now specify post call actions in Architect for inbound and in-queue call flows. What this feature does is it provides the authors an ability to trigger post call actions when a participant becomes the last one on a call. This is typically done to transfer the last participant on a call to perhaps a survey or to an external number. Now let's have a quick look at this new feature. I am in Genesys Cloud Architect right now, and you can see a stock standard call flow here where I'm transferring the call to an ACD queue. Now what I want to do here is I want to transfer the caller to another call flow once the agent disconnects the call. To do that, I go to Toolbox, I navigate to Flow, and I choose the new option called Set Post Flow. You'll obviously have to give it a name. And then you are presented with a few options later. The first option is the target. And this lets us define whom do we want to transfer once they become the last participant in a call. Is it the agent? Is it the caller? Or it doesn't matter. As long as there is a remaining participant in the call, they will be transferred to a call flow if we choose any. In my example, I wanted to transfer the caller to a different call flow once the agent hung up. So I choose caller. And then I have to choose which call flow I want to transfer the caller to once the agent disconnects. I do have a pre-created call flow called an inbound survey that I created earlier. All it does is it presents the caller a choice of one, to indicate if they're happy, or two, to talk to a manager if they're unhappy with their interaction. The other option is the invocation data. All that is a set of values in JSON format that I can pass to the inbound call flow that I've specified here if I wanted to. Because my example is fairly simple, I don't want to pass any data. So I'll go ahead and publish this. And we'll have a quick look at what it looks like. So I'm going to demo the changes that I made just then. I'll make a call that will eventually route to this call flow over here. And what you will observe is that once the agent answers the call, and once the agent disconnects the call, the caller would then be directed to the call flow that I have specified here.
Thanks for calling the ABC company. Please stay on the call for a short survey after you have spoken to the agent.
I disconnected the call, and I'll bring up that call in Performance and Interactions view. And if I navigate to Timeline, what you'll observe is that the call came in, it interacted with the IVR that I created called Post Call Action Test. It then went to the queue. It was answered by an agent. And once the agent disconnected the call got sent to GS_inbound survey, which was the post call IVR that I chose at this step. That's all I had for today. I hope you found this demo useful. As always, if you have any questions, you can reach out to tamstudios@genesys.com or post your questions in the comment section below. Thank you so much for your time, and see you around.